New Google SEMA 2 is insane. What if I could jump into any game it's never seen before and just figure it out on its own? No tutorial, no training, just raw intelligence. Well, that's exactly what DeepMind just dropped with SEMA 2, and it's absolutely wild. This thing doesn't just follow commands like a robot. It thinks, it plans, it learns from its own mistakes. And here's the crazy part. It can play games it's never been trained on. I'm talking about an AI that's one step closer to actual artificial general intelligence. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this means for you and why this changes everything. So first, let me explain what SEMA even stands for. It's the Scalable Instructable Multi-World Agent. That's a fancy way of saying it's an AI that can work in multiple virtual worlds and actually understand what you're telling it to do. SEMA 1 was already impressive. It could do basic tasks in games, move left, pick up items, what simple stuff. But SEMA 2, this is a whole different beast. It's powered by Gemini. That's DeepMind's big language model that can actually reason through problems. Not just follow orders, but actually think about what you're asking and figure out the best way to do it. Let me give you an example. With old AI, you'd have to say, move forward 3 steps, turn left, walk to the door, open the door. It's like talking to a toddler. With SIMA 2, you can say, go to the red house by the tree, and it figures out the entire path. It plans, it executes, done. That's reasoning, that's intelligence. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. And here's where it gets even crazier. SEMA 2 can work in games it's never seen before. Think about that for a second. Most AI needs thousands of hours of training data for one specific task. This thing can drop into a brand new virtual world and just start figuring things out. That's called generalization, and it's one of the key ingredients for AGI. Now, let me break down the key features that make SEMA 2 so powerful. First feature is reasoning and goal interpretation. Like I said before, you don't need to micromanage this AI. You give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps. That's huge because most AI today is still pretty dumb when it comes to complex tasks. Second feature is generalization to new environments. SEMA 2 was trained on games like No Man's Sky and Mind Dojo, but then they tested it on games it had never seen, and guess what? It still worked. It adapted, it learned the rules of the new world on the fly. That's not normal, that's borderline scary in the best way possible. Third feature is multimodal input. You can talk to SEMA 2 with regular language, you can draw sketches, you can even use emojis. It understands all of it. That means it's not just processing text, it's understanding context and meaning across different formats. And here's the fourth feature that blew my mind: self-improvement loop. After the initial training from humans, SEMA 2 can generate its own experience and learn from it. That means it's teaching itself without human intervention. Let that sink in. This AI doesn't need us to hold its hand anymore. It goes out, it tries things, it fails, it learns, and it gets better. That's the foundation for an AI that could genuinely become smarter than humans in specific domains. Now, before I go any further, let me tell you about something that's going to change your business. I want to talk about my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I help business owners like you scale with AI automation. We're talking about saving hundreds of hours and making more money. The link is in the description. Check it out at school.com/AI Profit Lab. We've got a whole community of people crushing it with AI, workflows, tools, real case studies, everything you need to dominate. All right, back to SEMA 2. So why does this matter? Why should you care about an AI that plays video games? Because this isn't just about games. This is about building the foundation for AI that can work in any environment. Games are just the testing ground. Think about it. If an AI can navigate a complex 3D world, make decisions, adapt to new rules, what else can it do? It could control robots in warehouses. It could navigate disaster zones for rescue missions. It could help engineers design simulations and test them in real time. The applications are endless, and they all start here with virtual worlds. DeepMind isn't building a gaming AI for fun. They're building the brain for future robots, for AGI, for systems that can actually think and act in the real world. And SIMA 2 is a huge step toward that. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you this thing is perfect, because it's not. Let me be real with you about the limitations. The first limitation is long horizon tasks. If you give SEMA 2 a goal that requires 20 or 30 steps, it starts to struggle. It can handle simple multi-step tasks, but really complex sequences, still a work in progress. Second limitation is memory. SEMA 2 has a limited interaction history. That means if you have a long conversation or a long gameplay session, it might forget things from earlier. It doesn't have perfect memory yet. Okay. And third limitation is the big one, physical embodiment. Right now, SEMA 2 only works in virtual worlds. It hasn't been transferred to real robots yet. That's the next frontier, but we're not there yet. Right? So if you're thinking this AI is about to take over your warehouse or build your house, not quite, but it's closer than you think. Now, let me talk about what this means for you as a creator or a business owner. If you're in the AI space, this is the next wave. You need to be paying attention because the companies that figure out how to use agents like SIMA 2 are going to dominate. If you're a game developer or you work with simulations, this changes everything. Imagine creating a game and having an AI that can test it, play it, find bugs, give feedback, all without human testers. And if you're in the automation or content creation space like me, this is massive. Think about the possibilities. AI that can navigate software, create workflows, adapt to new tools. We're talking about a future where you don't need to manually set up every single automation. The AI just figures it out. That's the kind of world SEMA 2 is pushing us toward. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I use SEMA 2 today? And the answer is no, not yet. This is a research preview. It's only available to selected academics and game developers right now. But that's how all of these things start. GPT started as a research project. So did DALI, and now look at them, they're everywhere. SIMA 2 will follow the same path. In a year or two, we'll probably see commercial versions of this tech. And when that happens, the people who understand it early are going to have a massive advantage. Another question I get is, will this kill gaming? Will AI replace gamers? And my answer is no. AI isn't here to replace fun. It's here to enhance it. Think about AI companions in games, AI dungeon masters, AI that can create personalized quests just for you. That's where this is headed, not replacing gamers, but making games more immersive and more intelligent. And the last question is, will this replace YouTubers or content creators? Again, no, but it will change how we work. AI tools like SEMA 2 are going to help us create faster, edit faster, automate boring tasks. That's a good thing. It means we can focus on creativity and strategy instead of grinding through repetitive work. So let me recap the main points here. SEMA 2 is insane because it can reason, it can adapt to new worlds, it can improve itself, and it's powered by one of the most advanced AI models on the planet. It's not perfect yet. It has limitations, but it's a huge leap forward, and the implications are massive for gaming, for robotics, for automation, for AGI. This is the kind of technology that changes industries, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. Now, before I wrap up, I want to tell you about something that's going to help you stay ahead of the curve. I've built the free AI Money Lab. This is where I share everything I'm learning about making money with AI. And I'm talking about real actionable stuff. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools. You get 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You get access to a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free using AI. You also get over 1,000 free N8N workflows, a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies from real businesses. This is where I share all the strategies that are working right now. Not theory, not fluff, real tactics that you can use today to make more money and save hundreds of hours with automation. The link is in the description. Go join the AI Money Lab right now. It's completely free, and you'll be part of a community of people who are winning with AI. And if you want to go even deeper, I also have the AI Profit Boardroom on School. That's where we dive into advanced strategies, we share workflows, we collaborate, and we help each other scale faster. Both links are in the description. Check them out. Now, here's my challenge for you. After watching this video, I want you to think about one area of your business or your life where an AI agent like SEMA 2 could help. Maybe it's automating a task. Maybe it's testing something. Maybe it's just understanding how AI is going to change your industry. Think about it and then drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single comment and I want to hear what you think. Also, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video, because I'm going to keep bringing you the latest AI updates, the tools, the strategies, everything you need to stay ahead. SEMA 2 is just the beginning. The next few years are going to be wild, and I want you to be ready for it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.